Good evening, I'm Rick Tillery.
I'm Trish Close. Thanks for joining us tonight. The third day in the William Simmons murder trial. Simmons accused of killing Kaelin Glazier in 1996.
Today, the defense wanted to move beyond science and explore the teen's thoughts. The judge didn't agree. News 10's Katie Connor has more in tonight's top story at 6.
Your Honor, in regard
16 years after her death, 15-year-old Kaelin Glazier's diary brought up as evidence in the trial against William Simmons. The defense says Simmons knew Glazier and was last to see her alive, and her diary could give insight into their relationship.
They include statements about Kaelin's feelings about herself, about others, about her mom, about her granddad, about school.
It's absolutely relevant to this case.
I object.
Judge Bloomfield gave his final word.
The evidence is not relevant, it's hearsay, and it's inappropriate to bring in that.
Day 3 continued without the diary.
I was still concerned. I wanted to take everything out of that truth.
Hugh Crawford, the lead investigator of Kaelin's case, took the stand. The teen went missing back in 1996. Her body wasn't found until 2008 out in Rouge. Crawford talked about finding a hand-dug well on William Simmons' property. On January 10, 1997, investigators went through Simmons' trailer and found blood splattered on the wall. Neither the prosecution nor defense asked whose blood it was, and that question remains a mystery to the jury for now.
She asked the Zaniches to search their property.
I don't remember the exact point, but was under the belief that that property had been searched.
Simmons' lawyer grilled Crawford on where Kaelin's body was found. As you can see here, her remains were found directly across from Simmons' trailer. The property owners didn't find them until 2008.
Your daily project for years, and you didn't check to see if the Zanich property had been searched?
You're not letting me answer the question.
Robert Young, one of Kaelin's relatives, also took the stand. Covering your news in Medford, Katie Connor, News 10.
Prosecution packed even more into the afternoon. News 10's Caitlin Conrad continues our team coverage. Caitlin.
Rick, Trish, today marked the third day in court for the Kaelin Glazier murder trial, and things seem to be moving along pretty quickly. In the afternoon, the focus was on the initial investigation that followed Glazier's disappearance in 1996. The first two witnesses who took the stand were both tracking and trailing dog experts. The first, Judy Gunter, gave a testimony that seemed to stir up some controversy between the defense and the prosecution. Gunter says she took out her dog Angel in the initial month of the investigation for Kaelin, and she says that this dog was somewhat inexperienced. She also says that her dog trailed a live scent of Kaelin, which prompted a lot of questions that really didn't get an answer. The second witness who testified was Frank Kroll, another dog expert. Kroll and his dogs were involved in looking for Kaelin when they thought she might still be alive, and then later when they were looking for her remains. Neither of the two witnesses or their dogs ever found anything that led them to Glazier, either dead or alive. The last 6 witnesses who took the stand were former members of the Applegate Fellowship. They were all members in 1996 when Glazier's family went to church there. All of them were involved in the search effort, but they never found anything that led them to Kaelin Glazier. Now, after the jurors left, there was some discussion about scheduling. Both the prosecution and the defense think that the trial might not take the full 4 weeks that they've allotted for it, so they're thinking about maybe taking a break on Monday. They're hoping to make this decision by lunchtime Friday. Tomorrow, the trial will start up again at 9 a.m. Covering your news live in Medford, Caitlin Conrad, News 10.
News 10's following the story closely. We'll have a full update tonight on News 10 at 11 o'clock, and you can get the latest information on our website any time of day. Just head to ktvl.com.